For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. Are you tired of relying on a power grid that's as unpredictable as the weather? Do you dream of harnessing the wind to power your home, but don't know where to start? /N. Well, let me tell you, I've been there too. /N. I've spent countless hours researching and testing various wind turbines, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on one that really caught my attention. The Primus Air 40 wind turbine, /N. But here's what surprised me. /N. It's not as simple as just slapping a turbine on your roof and expecting it to work. No. There are many factors at play, from efficiency to durability to sheer power output. /N. And let me tell you, the Primus Air 40 is one of those rare products that really delivers. /N. But don't just take my word for it. /N. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details and see why this turbine stands out from the rest. /N. The Primus Air 40 wind turbine is designed to be easy to install, even for those with no prior experience. /N. It comes pre-assembled and weighs in at just 45 pounds, making it a breeze to set up on your roof or in a backyard. /N. But what really sets it apart is its efficiency. This baby can generate up to 1 kW of power, even in low wind conditions. /N. Now, I know what you're thinking. /N. What about the noise? Won't my neighbors hate me for putting up one of these turbines? /N. Fear not, my friends. The Primus Air 40 is designed with noise reduction in mind, producing a whisper-quiet hum that's barely audible. /N. But here's the thing. /N. While it may be quiet, this turbine is anything but stealthy. /N. In fact, its sleek design and high-gloss finish make it almost too pretty to hide on your roof. Almost. /N. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, /N. Why should I trust a wind turbine? Wouldn't it just fall apart after a few months? /N. Well, let me put your mind at ease. The Primus Air 40 is built with high-quality materials and has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its durability. /N. But don't just take my word for it. /N. Check out what some of the other reviewers have to say about this. I was skeptical at first, but after setting up the Primus Air 40, I was blown away by how much power it generated. Emily, I've tried several wind turbines before, but this one is hands down the best. It's efficient, quiet, and easy to install. Mark, now I know what you're thinking. /N. What about the warranty? What if something goes wrong? /N. Well, rest assured that the Primus Air 40 comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty, covering parts and labor for any issues that may arise. /N. So there you have it, in my opinion. The Primus Air 40 wind turbine is a game-changer for anyone looking to harness the power of wind energy. /N. But don't just take my word for it. /N. Order now and see the difference for yourself. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N.